Hi, and welcome to the fifth video blog that follows the development of a strategy game I'm creating from scratch in C++. This game doesn't have a name yet, even if I think I probably found the right one, so expect an announcement soon. If you watch my previous videos, you will notice that this one is going to be a bit different. First, I'll be showing you what I had 2 weeks ago, and then I'm going to introduce what I've been working on since then. You can let me know in comments if you like this new version or not. Let's start. This is how the game looked in my previous video. As you can see, there wasn't much, just a tiny map with a single red unit and 2 energy generators. I also showed 2 images introducing several elements of the game. You might want to watch my previous video to know more about them, but in terms of what I actually implemented, that was it. As I said, not much. Let's go back to the present and let me show you what the game looks like now. As you can see, there's a lot more going on, at least compared to what I had before, but let me introduce you one thing at a time. The first new element is the player space. For now, it's just a structure you can use to create new units, but in the future it will become a crucial element for several gameplay mechanics. Another new, even if minor, feature is that when you select a unit or a structure, they're highlighted with a bright border. The main feature I introduced in this update is definitely the fog of war. Basically, when you start to play, all you can see is just the area surrounding your base. Then, you have 3 ways to extend the visible area. The first one is creating a unit and exploring your surroundings. As you can see, when you find a structure, it becomes visible, and it stays visible even when the unit moves away from it. But in that case, you can only see its silhouette. That means you're not going to see what happens to it, for example if it's conquered by one of your enemies or not. The second way is conquering a cell of the map. Even if it's not connected to your base, you still get a small visible area. The third way is conquering a structure, like an energy generator for example. In this case, you get a bigger visible area. Another interesting feature I started to implement is influence areas. Basically, when the cells you conquer are connected to your base, they're active, and that means that, for example, if they're also connected to an energy generator, they can carry energy. The cells surrounding your active cells are under their influence, and because of that, they get some of your color. That's all they do for now, but soon they will be an important part of the game. I'm going to tell you more about them soon. Talking about the future, for the next 2 weeks I'm planning to improve and optimize the fog of war. Then I will add pathfinding to the units, so that moving around will become much easier. After that, I will probably work on another feature based on the units. That's going to be scheduling the cells to conquer. Basically, that will allow you to define a full line of cells to conquer and a unit will take care of it until it's done. I'm not sure if I'll be able to add more new features, but there's only one way to find out. You have to subscribe to my channel and watch my next video. In the meantime, you can leave a comment below and tell me if you enjoyed this one and what you think of the game so far. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in a couple of weeks. See ya!